Halloween! Hello from Magic Kingdom. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, thank you all so much for coming by and checking us out.
So we are finally at Disney Parks once again, and we're going to check out all of the new Halloween stuff.
Of course. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and check us out every Wednesday and Sunday for brand new videos.
Yes, so if you can please like this video, and don't forget to comment, share with your family and friends, that would be awesome.
Yes. Amber, are you ready to start your spooky on?
Let's go.
Let's go. You're finally in the Emporium. You have a lot of different things. You have Maleficent, and they have Ursula, they have Snow White, they have a lot of ones.
Maleficent.
I know. Those are nice. It's funny because we're at Universal. They have horns. So you can probably get this and the horns. I really like these. I mean, they look kind of cheap, but they're kind of cool though too.
You could do pins, or you can have the characters autograph it.
That's cool. That's clever that they're doing that. So they have the Halloween shirts. Look at that one. It has all the stuff.
Have a good day.
And then right here, they have Peace, Heart,
Extra small.
Disney.
Oh, you're here now?
They have Fall Vibes. There's more here.
Pick your poison. You have the Evil Queen, Ursula, and you also have Maleficent. And then you have Nightmare.
You know, you're only gone for a half an hour. You know what?
Ooh, they're all just like mummies. And then you have Let's Go Ghouls. Amber's looking all festive. She's dressing up as a... Alright, so here is the store. They have the Loungefly. They have a beautiful wreath. Look at this. And then you have the ornaments that match. And over here you have a really soft shirt, a hat. This is the Spirit jersey. They have Crocs. Look at these. Those are really cool. Here they have the lug. Doesn't really match the purse. You have ears and a cool little jacket. And look, they have Chip and Dale. Dale and Chip. You know what I was doing? Recording on slow-mo.
So now we're just doing it again. Spirit jersey. I wonder if it glows in the dark.
I don't know.
There's more shirts on the other side too.
Look at this. Is he supposed to be a wizard? Oh my god, there's a vampire Mickey. See, I cheated. I looked ahead. Whoa. That one's glow in the dark. That one's cool. I was like, I already recorded that, but...
Well, there's another shirt in here. Mickey. It glows in the dark too.
They have a really cool tote.
Oh my goodness.
That's cool.
Look, how cute.
And then I saw a couple people wearing these. Oh, look at Eeyore.
Happy Honeyween.
That's cool.
That's so cute.
And they have a ton of stuff.
This is a lot more than usual.
I know. Probably because we were all complaining the last couple seasons. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at the little plush thing. I did see the plush Mickeys and Minnie. I don't know what they are this year.
It's their new costumes, like their new dress and stuff.
Oh. Nightmare Before Christmas, which I haven't seen the movie. Do they have cookies? But look, they have Oogie Boogie. Oh, that's cool. It's like bark. And then you have the typical stuff. You have the Rice Krispies. I'm not gonna take those out. And then you have Stitch. And they also have a Mummy Stitch. I wonder if that in 71 is significant.
Opening day was October 2nd, 1971. I learned this in tradition.
They had the plushes over here behind you. And look, they have the Haunted Mansion stuff. Look
They
at
only
that.
have Mickey.
Aw.
Where's Minnie? No, Brian, look.
Oh, that's
It's
cool.
a countdown calendar for Halloween.
I like that.
Wow.
Actually, Amber would only do it until HHN starts.
Then the countdown starts over for Halloween.
Okay. Do you want to be the 1000th ghost?
Ooh, look.
I know. I showed that earlier. It's the
I didn't
chocolate
see it.
bark. The movie was actually pretty good. I actually liked it.
Tiny. That is so cute.
And then you had that Hatbox Ghost shirt. Gargoyles.
Ooh, look at those ears.
Those are nice. They're velvety too.
Those are pretty.
Oh, look at this. So you had the front and then you had the back.
Ooh, look at the lounge light. Did we see that before?
I don't remember. I think it was a different color. And over here. Ooh, they're autumn leaves.
And bats.
That's cool. I don't see your little thing that you like
Starbucks.
that broke.
I know that you still owe me. Echo still owes me a Levi jacket too. Or a jean jacket, I should say, not
Yeah.
Levi.
So Amber like really wants this shirt that matches this, but they don't even have it.
The mini, the pink.
And there's no mini.
But look at, I think this is new. They're the
Irresistible.
ears.
Yeah, those are nice. And you have little outfits for kids. That's cool.
Baby.
They didn't give me little Crocs.
Too bad we'll never have one.
Wow.
Oh, look at that for the little girl.
So cute. It's scary.
We always look at the baby stuff just because, like, we hoped one day.
Yeah.
Look at the little skirt.
That's cool.
That's adorable. We have a baby in heaven.
Yep. Sure do. We have Echo babysitting until we get there.
Yeah. Then guess what? I'm on that one. Yeah!
Away we go. It's a festival of Away we go, yo. Oh, a pirate's life is a wonderful world to see. You make your careers a buccaneer, sometimes a bird.
Donald Duck.
Yes, no. I'll come to you. Mommy's good.
This is the best celebration ever! Gosh, Minnie, isn't this fun?
That is size.
Please remain seated.
So, this is fun. You never realize how short your wife is until she tries to do.
I have to hold it up. I'm like this.
I'm like, this is ridiculous.
But look at me. He cuts me off all the time.
I need you to. We were at the store the other day and I was like, Amber, can you stand up so I can see you?
Like, then how can you see me if you're only 6 inches tall?
That's 6.
Look, I'm getting cut off the whole time.
If you ever wondered how the boat got across, it wasn't because it was free floating. It kind of was, but look, it's a track. This is crazy.
This is all going away for
I know.
villains.
Tom Sawyer Island, you never went to it.
I never did.
I wonder
Never
where
had the
the-
chance.
I wonder where all the gators went. But anyway, it's kind of cool, but kind of crazy, huh?
Sad.
Yeah. At least we're going. We wanted a villain's park, not a stupid land.
We don't know if it's stupid yet.
Well, the images don't look stupid, but still, I wanted a park where you would have Maleficent's castle, you know? But anyway, we're going to try to keep getting soaked from the rain. But look at this girl. Ow. Look at all this. You have this sweater vest. You have this as a sweater. And then you have this shirt that looks like it's from like the 1990s with a matching loungefly. It's really cool. And then you have over here like a dress, but it's like coveralls or overalls. It's kind of cool and it has pockets. Happy Halloween! Look at this. You have your popcorn, which I'm surprised Amber hasn't ran over and got in line yet. Butter popcorn with M&Ms. And then you have your apples, your marshmallow candies, your Rice Krispie treat, cookie, and a cupcake. Those cupcakes look small, and they want $6 for it. And they still have your the electric parade stuff too. So the decorations are pretty much the same every year. And I think part of that might be just they can have like the nostalgic, the same stuff over and over and all that kind of stuff. But I think that there was some new decoration, I feel like, over in like Frontierland and Adventureland. So. But this girl in her dress, dang.
I tried to take some cute pics.
There's a couple.
They didn't have me do like any princess things, like holding my dress out. Mm-mm. This guy didn't do it either, and I was like, man.
I didn't know. But it was still fun. I mean, last time we were here was for the electric parade. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a good thumbs up and comment. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.